fun game about clowns and oh yummy! Hell yeah! Hey, it's good. Progress is breakfast and generation popping up time. Clean up your streets and baby. Okay. You can read probably. Yeah, I saw that. State of Florida, okay. I wanna kill him. Damn it. Next room. Mr. Washington Duck. Put the pipes or something, like he's clean enough. Alright, now I got that. Flower. Mr. Handy. Guess he can handle it. Miss Stretch and I don't think Body is supposed to be like that. I think I'm gonna kill her. Extended. Well, you look happy. Do. Dragon Ball. Yeah, I called it. I've never actually been. Can I put you back in or? Thank you. Thank you. Oh wow. Okay. All right, let's go. Okay, damn it. This is about clowns and death. Yoink. He looks so happy though. I love him. This one's easy. I just tried that and then. Damn it. Oh! I just squeeze him until he farts or something. Hey, let's go. Damn it. So far, the clown has been chasing me. Instruction. These are some good instructions. Mr. Floaty again. Okay, let's go. Poke. Alright. Well, I can't. Okay, I think I need to make it bigger. Oh. Too big. I think he's dying. Well, on with the show. Dear God, the amount of fetishes people have for this crap. It gave me bad memories. What? He just pops. He just dies. Oh, is that him as a child, or did I don't want that. Oh, he just wants water. I don't think I'm supposed to do that. I'll turn it back for you. I think I'm breaking it. He clearly doesn't look happy. The hell? Where's the pregnant guy? He's so happy, I love him. What? Oh, that hurt me. She got the goofy ass swingle hands. Stretch, 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 stretch. Clear does not like that. I'm gonna let you. Yeah, head pads for you. You're gonna die, so yeah. I don't think the human body's or clown body's supposed to. I think she's broken. Well, I gotta try to. No, listen, ma'am. I'm gonna put your hand on this light thingy, and you're gonna stinking like it. See, ma'am. Broom. Another one. Okay, that's the potted plant. Oh, no, it's dying. It's not just dead. I don't like this no more. Nope. What? I'm gonna go back. There's no reason to turn back. Now, this is gonna be fine. Gonna get jump scared or something. Like I'm just scream. Dude. It just. Nope. 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 Thank you for the key. See you later, clown. Thank you. Let's go, nerds. So, see you later, clowny. Yeah, this was a fun game. Pretty spooky, but you know, I loved it. Check your Jack in the Box neck. Thanks for playing. Ooh. Do do do.